I'm Carlos from HUFA Kitchenware Factory. Today we have a new product just arrived from the factory. Let's check them out together.
Stainless steel multifunctional pattern storage fruit plate. Suitable for home and commercial use. Various styles are available. Rectangular classic octagonal fruit plate. Made of thickened stainless steel. With multiple color and style options. It can be used for holding snacks at home or fruits in bars. Stainless steel order and seat reservation sign. Suitable for restaurants, bars, cafes, and other places. It adopts a wooden base, which is anti-slip and wear-resistant. The stainless steel main body is textured and more durable. Multiple styles and colors are available. Stainless steel vegetable washing basin, suitable for families or restaurants. Made of thickened stainless steel. The rolled edge process does not hurt the hands. It is durable and easy to clean. Stainless steel Korean style condiment dishes and cold dish plate. There are 3 styles. Let's take a look. Curled edge, made of 300 for stainless steel. Stamping, with color options of gold and natural colors. And double layer, suitable for both family and restaurant use. Stainless steel insulated lunch box. Let's take a look at the 2 new products together. Multi-layer partitioned insulation box. The second product. It can be heated in a microwave and has an independent outer packaging. It's a great tool for taking meals to school or work. Easy to carry and has a good heat preservation duration. Stainless steel baking tools, small pastry nozzles. We have various styles of pastry nozzles, which can create all kinds of beautiful and exquisite shapes. They are essential for many cake shops. Made of high-quality stainless steel, suitable for both home and commercial use. Manual roller grater and vegetable cutter, suitable for both families and restaurants. It works quickly without hurting hands, and the cutting pieces are uniform in size. It is equipped with 10 different blades. Stainless steel double ear pot set. It has a stainless steel pot body, a visible glass lid, and wooden double ear handles that are non-conductive and anti-slip. We also have many styles of pot sets. Stainless steel filter basin. It is good for both restaurant and home use. Various specifications are available. It is thickened and durable, with a widened and enlarged edge curling design, making it convenient and labor-saving to hold. The surface is polished smooth without hurting hands. Stainless steel multifunctional steel basin, made of thickened steel. It is solid and durable. It can be used in both families and restaurants, and is very convenient for cleaning and storage. Stainless steel knife. Butcher knives, bread knife, paring knife, meat knives, bone knife. Suitable for both home and commercial use. Materials include stainless steel and rubber, which are anti-slip and wear-resistant. Multiple styles and colors are available. Stainless steel barbecue tool, suitable for outdoor, family, and barbecue restaurant use. Various sizes are available. Wooden handle, does not conduct heat. There are 3 layers and is detachable for easier cleaning. Iron storage basket can be used for cosmetic storage and desktop item storage. Multiple styles and colors are available.
After viewing these new products, if you would like to know more about the styles and the price, please feel free to leave a message.
Welcome to HUFA Factory.